I am back. I'm back. Welcome. Um. Oh shit. What could this be? Yeah. So I just unboxed this like 15 minutes ago, and there was no tap when I first opened it. I just need to tighten this, but I'm gonna be real careful with the sun pins. The sun pin screws, I'm not even gonna touch them because I've seen them snap. But here's handle play. Almost nothing. Here's just a tiny, if I do it like this, the smallest bit, but it didn't have any tap when I got it like 15 minutes ago. It's here, I got it. Arm Shark. This is my first clone from Arm Shark. And honestly, I am very impressed. It's not heavy. This thing is not heavy at all. It's light. The balance is, that was the first time. That was the first rollover on this. Listen. Whoa, sound test. I did ask for a tune. I actually asked for a tune. So maybe sometime if you ask for a tune, you can get lucky, but I got very lucky. So I bought this on, I think it was, I bought this on the new Butterfly knife store. Not the old one, Butterfly knife store. Butterfly, whatever, but very nice guy, super nice. The shipping was long to Sweden, yes, long shipping, but oh my god. Wait, let me try that again, listen. Oh, wait. I think I need to lube this. This is not lubed. Tighten it. Just the tiniest bit. Yeah, you get one more look at it. One more look at it. And here we have the side. And yeah, like this. It's a nice angle. Take a screenshot if you want. Here's the inside, very clean. Very good milling. I mean, the first time I saw this, like when I saw the final clone, I was actually shocked at how good. I mean, these handles are 1-to-1 to a real Gale, but it's actually not that surprising because Svix, the handles on the real Gales are actually made in China. So, I mean, when you think about it, it's not that surprising that they managed to go. I mean, the blade is rounded, which is, I think, better than the real one. I could grab my Sephard, but I'll do that in another video. But the blade is actually rounded on the clone, which it's not on the real thing because I have a Sephard. That thing is sharp. That thing is crazy sharp. Wait, I'm just gonna try something. Yep, doesn't pinch at all. And look at that, look at the washers, pretty thick. And look at that, look at this. They even got the channel widening, look at that, look. Wait, I'm just gonna show you. Look, you see, channel widening. I can just do it like this, look. It gets wider at the end, and that's just like the real Gale. Or a Sephard, because it makes, there's an even smaller chance of it getting tap. Yeah, but yeah, it's starting to break in a little bit. When I got it, it was quite stiff. I actually dropped it. in the bathroom floor. Oh shit. But yeah, it's starting to become more smooth now. It's just there are not many videos on the Gale cologne right now, so might as well upload it. You're gonna get one more. Oh, I'm just gonna show what's in the box. You get belly boot, bite handle marker, and you get the, I'm not gonna use this, I already have glider T-ton, so this is the box. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger, but it's actually not that big. But you're gonna get one more sound test. This is not lubed, this is completely dry. Yeah, I got very lucky with this one, I gotta say. Yeah, I did ask for a tune, and it seemed like he tuned it. He tuned it very well, actually. Yeah, the ring is starting to come through. I mean, that is impressive. I'm working on that. So that is the Armshark Gale clone. Finally! Yeah. I'm just very happy to finally have this. I mean, this thing came to Sweden last Monday, and now I have it. So, yeah, but wow, I'm happy. So, yeah. That's the Gale clone. Oh, and grade 5 titanium. Goodbye.